Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about don't care conditions in KMAP problems. First of all, what is these don't care conditions? Let us see. The point is here, the function that have unspecified output, that output may be a 0 or 1. The function that have unspecified output for some input combinations are called don't care conditions, which are represented by X. Now, in don't care conditions are used in KMAP, especially here in KMAP, don't care conditions are used while grouping with uncovered minterms where it is necessary. So if it is required, compulsory, then only we will group the minterms with those don't care conditions. Otherwise, if it is not required, we don't bother about that don't care condition. So that with the help of example, you can understand this statement, the second one. The point is here, while in KMAP, while grouping the minterms with don't care conditions, if it is necessary, we will use the don't care conditions based on the requirement, based on the given problem. Let us come to the point here. So observe this type of problem. So here the don't care conditions, here it is already mentioned. The problem it is like this: f of a, b, c, d for variable KMAP, summation small f small m, that means all these are the minterms like 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 11, 15, and the don't care conditions are 2 and 13. So here position number 2 don't care condition, it is represented with this X symbol. Then 13, so this is also represented with H symbol. And the remaining already, so these are the don't care conditions. D means D of summation 2, 3 means these are the don't care conditions, and these are the minterms. So if these don't care conditions, if it is required, then only we will group the minterms. Now observe here. So now here also all the KMAP rules are same here. So first we need to concentrate on minterms only. So our concentration is always in minterms only. So this that too, the minterms which are far away from the other minterms, try to group first those minterms. So here this 8, especially this 8 minterm, first of all we need to group with the other minterms. So this 8, so this is the only possibility to make a pair. So 8 and 9, this is 1. Next. So 15, 13, 9, 11. So here, because of this 15 under this 11, right? So yeah, especially this 1, 3. Next, we will group these minterms. We will try to group these minterms. That is 1, 3, 9, and 11. So this is the second one, 1, 3, 9, and 11. And observe here this, especially the 15th minterm, which is far away from the all other minterms. So with the help of this don't care condition, we are using this quad like this. Now we are using this one. So this is third one. And coming to the next, the 5 minterm. So here minterm is there. Okay, no problem. Here don't care condition is there, and here minterm is there. So one don't care condition we can use like this. Not only one, depending upon the condition. With the help of this don't care condition, now we are able to form this quad. So this is the 4. So this is the way to make a group like this with the help of don't care condition. So here also, coming to the expression, the first one it is, what are the common terms? A, B bar are the common terms in the horizontally, and vertically the common term is C bar. So this is the answer, first one. And the second group, so where 9 and 11 and 1, 2, these make a one quad. The horizontally the common term is B bar, and coming to the vertically the common term is right, so D. Coming to the third one, so like this 13, 15, and 9 and 11. So horizontally the common term is A, and vertically the common term is D. That's it. Next, coming to the fourth one. Fourth one, so 1, 5, 13, and 9. So here horizontally all are the AB term is varying. So but vertically the term is C bar and D. And coming to the don't care condition, anyway this don't care condition we already used. Then what about this second? The second don't care condition, if you want, so one possibility, we can make a pair with this 3 min term. So we are not doing that one because our concentration is only on the min terms which are need to be covered. So whether the don't care conditions, if it is required, then only you need to use. Otherwise, leave that particular don't care condition. So not required. This especially this 2 min term. So let us come to the next problem. Yeah. So here max terms it is mentioned, that is a pi m. So and the max terms don't care condition, anyway the don't care conditions are 5, 7. So the problem, so based on the max terms, so 2, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 8, 9, then 10, 11, 15. So yeah. So observe here. First of all, the min terms which are far away from the all other min terms we need to concentrate. So this 8, particularly this 8, which is far away from the all other min terms. So this the best way to group this particularly 8 min term like this. This is the first one. Next, observe this 2, 3, and 1. So this 2, which is also far away from the other min terms, and edge grouping we are considering here, that is 2, 3, and 10, 11. So this is the best idea to group the min terms without using the don't care conditions. Always try to do like this. Try to avoid the using don't care conditions in the problem. Next, after that, this particularly this one min term, yeah, we can group the quad with the help of max terms only. So one, this 3, and 9, and 11. Let me take this through this one 3. Then, so here the 15 min term it is left out. 15 max term. So the best way to group this 15 max term with the help of the 7 don't care condition, and with the help with the form a one quad. Let us assume this is the fourth one. So this is the all the max terms are covered. So anyway, this 5 don't care condition it is not used. So no need to use. So you may think that 2, 3, 5, and 7, which is so don't make a group like this, which is not required. Using the 2 don't care conditions, it is not necessary. So that is the reason. So this is the best way to group the min terms. While solving the more number of problems, you will get that clarity based on these type of problems. Next, write the directly the expression here. The first one it is 8, 9, 11, 10. The expression is a bar plus b into, come to the second one, 2, 3, 10, 11. Horizontally the common term is b plus vertically the common term is c bar. Next coming to the this 2, 3, and 9, 11. Horizontally the common term it is b, but vertically the common term it is d. Right? Then 1, 2, 3, 3 completed. Then come to the fourth one. So fourth one into, so which is a c bar plus d bar. So these type of expressions were called as what? POS, product of sum. Previous one it is This one is SOP form because these are the min terms. Sum of product and this is the product of sum. Let us come to the next problem. So here the min terms 1, 3, 7, 11, 15 and the don't care conditions are 0 to 5. Always try to do the best possibility here also. So the best possibility to make, so that this 15 and 11. So first of all, these make a one quad like this. Let us assume this is the first one. And the second one it is, observe here, this 1, 3, 5, 7, right? So this use this don't care condition, 5. Let us assume this is the second. That's it. So our intention is the minterms are, all the minterms are covered. So no need to bother about the don't care conditions of 0 and 5. So that's it. So the answer for this problem, particular problem, so that is CD plus A bar into D. That's it. Next problem. So here, so the minterms 0, 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 14. So which is placed here. And the don't care conditions are 5, 7, 10, 12. Observe carefully. Which are the minterms far away from the other minterms? Try to group those minterms. But if you observe here, this particularly the 0 minterm, so which is far away from all other minterms. There is no possibility of grouping with the help of don't care condition also. So anyway, if you consider this 5, it is diagonal, so we cannot do. So we don't do like that. 1 and it is 0 and 5. So this is the first one. And coming to the next one, observe this 3, 3, 7, it is possible. But anyway, 3, 11 is there. This 3 and 11 minterms are available. So if minterm is available, then no need to go for the don't care condition. So second one. Next, this 13 and 9. Observe here, 13 and 9 don't care condition is there, but it is 3. So we don't use. Minimum requirement it is or pair or quad. So it is not possible. So here also, anyway, 12, 13 we can do, and 5 and 13 also we can do. But there is no use. So this 9 and 13 we can make a one pair. So no need to use don't care condition here also. We completed. Then coming to the 6 and 14, and here 10 is there, the nearest don't care condition, and here is the nearest don't care condition, 7 is there. But the point is here, no need to require this 6 and 7 and 14 and 10, because here the minterms itself we can make a pair. That means 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. Observe here, in this particular problem, we are not used with the don't care conditions at all, which is a good practice. Which is the sum of product form. The coming to the expression, the first one, which is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Coming to the second one, the horizontally, if you see, B bar is common, but the vertically the common term is CD. Coming to the third one, horizontally A is common, but the vertically the common term is C bar D. Coming to the fourth one, horizontally the common term is B, but the vertically the common term is CD bar. So completed, right? That's it. Coming to this problem. So this problem, observe carefully, important one. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 5, 7, and also 9, 11, and 13, 14 minterms are there. Remaining 2, 6, 10, 12, 15 are the don't care conditions. First of all, observe here the minterms which are far away from the other minterms. Like if you observe this 5, so 5, 7, 13, 15, it is the best way to make one quad. First of all, first step. Next step. So the 13, 15, and 9 and 11. So with the help of this particular don't care condition, we can make another quad like this. This is the another best way to group them in terms. Next. So the uncovered minterm, that is the only one, that is 14. But we are having don't care conditions are there. If you observe here 6, 2, 6, 14, 10. So using these many don't care conditions are not required. So the best way to group this particular 4 minterm is, there are two possibilities are there. The one is the 14, 15, 10, 11. Form a one quad. And the another possibility 14, 15, and is 12, 13. Okay, so better to go for here, both are correct only. I'm using this particular one, right? Both are correct only. So both the answers mentioned here, then that is a good thing. That is the best way to show the answer in the exam. So here, particularly the first one, it is the B, and vertically the common term is D, right? So coming to the second one, so here A, vertically the common term is D, and coming to this third one, so one is the AB, right? And the second one is or this particular term. So here the common term is A, and vertically the common term is C. So there are two answers, that is BD plus AD plus AC. Both are correct. Hope you understand. Let's come to the next one. So this is the last problem. So 1, 11, 12, 15. So 1, 11, 12, 15. Yeah. So observe the first one here, this particular minterm. So this is the only possibility to group this the particular one max term. That is, assume this is the first one. And the next one, 15 and 11. Also, this is the only possibility. Okay. This is the second one. 12, 13. 12, 13. This is the best possibility. So this is third one. So here no need to group the 13 and 15 because 15 already covered with the help of 11 max term. So this is the answer. The answer which is in PYS form, product of sum. The first one, the answer is, the common term is, that is A plus B. Horizontally the common term, and the vertically the common term is, that is a D bar. This is the first expression. And the second one, horizontally the common term is A bar, but coming to the vertically the common term is C bar plus D bar. Second one. And coming to the third one, horizontally the common term is A bar plus B bar, but vertically the common term is C. So this is the answer. So hope you understand these problems. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please forward this, or please share my video to your friends. Thank you.